Hey Verity, this is uh, the um, this is for the question that you sent me. Okay, now here are my 2 points. Now my ultimate goal is to move it into ax plus by equals c. Okay, but we have to go through 3 steps. Okay, before we can do that. All right, so first we got to find slope. Mm, Label my points: x1, y1, x2, y2. So my slope equals -4 minus 3 is -7. -4 minus 2, -6. Two negatives equal a positive of 7 over 6. Okay, so now I have my slope. Okay, so this is the second part. First part is finding slope. Second part, we got to find the y-intercept. So we plug in 7 over 6 for m, and then we pick our first point. X is 2, y is 3. So now we have 3 is equal to 14 over 6 plus b. Subtract 14 over 6 from both sides. Okay, and I've worked that out down here to where 3 is equal to 18 over 6 because we can't add or subtract unlike denominators. So now I have 18 over 6 minus 14 over 6 is 4 over 6, or 2/3. So now we found my y-intercept of 2/3. Okay, so now we first have to plug it into y equals mx plus b. This is the third step. So first step, slope. Second step, y-intercept. Third step, I got to put it into yx equals mx plus b now that I know my m, okay, and now that I know my b. All right, now the standard form does not allow for you to leave things in equations. So I have to multiply by the largest denominator, and usually that takes care of all of your fractions. I'm sorry, you can't have fractions in standard notation. So I got to multiply everything by 6. So that's going to make this 6y. That's going to make this 7x, and that's going to make this. Oops, I made a mistake there. My fault. That's going to be 4. All right. I'm sorry. 2/3 times 6 is 4, not 2. All right. So now this is going to stay at 4. Boy, I'm glad I caught that. So sorry, Verity. All right. So now that's going to be 4. So now I got to move my x over. Now I have 7x, -7x plus 6y equals 4. So again, 3 steps. Find your slope. Find your y-intercept. Third step, plug it into y equals mx plus b, the m and the b, and then move your x over, make sure there's no fractions, move your x over, and that's your answer.